Puttur, Tirumular Siddharpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to explain about Super Brain Yoga. Now everybody knows about Super Brain Yoga. Formerly, in India, particularly in South India, maximum in Tamil Nadu, people do this exercise before Lord Ganesha. Before Lord Ganesha, they do this exercise and we call in Tamil Thopu Karnam. They hold the ears, sit and stand up before Lord Ganesha. This is modified as Super Brain Yoga because now if you pull the ear panels, the whole of your body will be aligned properly. Even any defects will be set right. Now I am showing what are the points present in the ear panel, and pulling it and even massaging it will clear many ailments. Now we are seeing this feet and toes control is here. Kidney stone can be removed by this pressure. If you press this point, the kidney stones will be cleared. And this is connected to ankles. This is heels. This is knees. So this backache can be cured by pressing these points. And this is connected to elbow. And this is connected to upper arm. Then this what do we call fever can be cured by pressing these points. So itching can be cured by pressing this, massaging these points. So there are many points corresponding to your body in this ear panel. So what we call this eye pain can be cured by pressing these points, and sinus problem will be corrected by touching this point. So in this Super Brain Yoga or this Ganesh exercise, we can call it as Ganesh exercise also, because that is originally available. It was available in temple worship in maximum in Tamil Nadu, and in schools also this was practiced. When a student could not answer the questions, the teacher used to ask him to do this Super Brain Yoga exercise so that his memory power will increase, his intuitive power will increase, and this sort of punishment indirectly helped the student to increase his intelligence level. How it increases? When you pull these ears here, it will bring coordination between left brain and right brain. The left brain stands for activity and the right brain stands for intuition. So this coordination is essential for each man, because one is acting without intuition means that will not be fruitful. In the same way, intuition is there, that man is not acting, then also he cannot achieve anything. So the correlation between these two are essential, and this correlation can be obtained by pulling the ears. So not only that, even this Ajna Chakram activates sinus glands, and these sinus glands also do the same work, coordination, balancing the head. In brain you are having two brains, left brain and right brain, and it balances the brains and head. So the sinus can be activated by meditation. So, super brain yoga exercise should be followed by intuitive meditation, concentration on Ajna Chakra. One should meditate, then only the super brain yoga will be fruitful. Mere exercise cannot do. Moreover, this for brain activity, increasing the memory power and brain activity, one should take bath in cold water before sunrise. If you take bath in cold water before sunrise, then dopamine will form. The dopamine formation will help for brain activity. That is essential for students. The students should get up early in the morning and take bath in cold water. Not only students, anybody who wants to activate their brain, it is better they should get up early in the morning and take bath in cold water, which will increase dopamine formation. Then you are doing yoga, it is not sufficient. For brain activation, you should also take food which improves brain activity. For brain activity, calcium and phosphorus particles are needed, and some other vitamins needed for brain activity is available in sunflower seed. Sunflower seed. So the persons who are engaged in super brain yoga may include sunflower seeds in their food so that the brain activity will be facilitated. So the nowadays super brain yoga is there even from ancient time. This was practiced in Ganesha mandirs. Even now, people are doing this exercise before Lord Ganesha in Tamil Nadu and in South India. North India, the Ganesh worship is not so famous. I have visited many temples in North India. They are having a small idol as Ganesha. But here in South India, the Vinayaka worship was very famous and the ancient worship started in Karnataka, in Vadabi. Then it moved to Tamil Nadu, and the oldest temple is Playarpatti temple. Now the Ganesh idol is taken on Vinayak Chaturthi day. Even Mumbai and Hyderabad also they are celebrating this. But this exercise is very essential before Lord Ganesha for getting intuition. He is the Lord of intuition. He is the Lord of Jnana. And this exercise facilitates obtaining Jnana. This coordinates right and left brain activity. For total success in life, both the brains should be activated and there should be coordination. Then only even in yoga, the energy from left brain should go inside right brain. Then only the perfection in yoga will be achieved. For this, the pulling and even massaging of these ear panels are very important. It also brings a coordination for your body, and even in head, balance is achieved by pulling these ear panels because the fluid inside the ear should be equal on both sides. Then only the balance will be achieved. For doing this, even Trigona Asana will help. Even in Trigona Asana brings the fluid in equilibrium, and it also helps those who practice this the super brain yoga may also do these Trigona Asanas so that the aim will be achieved. Trigona Asana will help to maintain the fluid balance in the ear so that the coordination will be achieved very fast. So the not only that, the concentration on food also should be done. Even in yoga, your body should have all nutrients and vitamins. Then only you can achieve perfection. So uh, this can be achieved through yoga, and the super brain active yoga is actually Indian. Somebody else has obtained the royalty, but all are from India only. Reiki, Prani Healing, and Super Brain Yoga are developments from the Indian rituals and Indian philosophy. As, as such, we should practice it and get benefit out of it. Those who want Siva Yoga practice and Super Brain Yoga supplemented with some yogic techniques and mudras, even mudras. Super Brain Yoga not only activates brain, it activates this what we call this Mooladhara. When it activates Mooladhara, then Apana Vayu will be activated, and it for this purpose you can use this Apana Mudra also. For activation of this Mooladhara, one can use Prithvi Mudra as well as Apana Mudra, so that this super brain yoga will be speeded up. But one point, important point is one should remember, because all these exercise you should do only for a limited period. For example, you can do this exercise for 12 times. Some persons do it for more than 100 times, and if they do it for more than 100 times, then their Apana Vayu will be overactivated, and it will create problem, like it will excessively eliminate urine, feces, and even summons from your body, which is dangerous for your health. So one should remember that super brain yoga not only activates brain, it activates Mooladhara and Apana to a particular extent. So you should be done carefully and for the required level only, and it should be done with the guidance of a yoga acharya, because the knowledge of this chakra activation and this working of these vayus and the mudras related to these are also should be done for success in super brain yoga. For details, contact me. Thank you.